Welcome to the 30-day transformation. Over the next month, you're going to be on a journey that promises not just physical changes, but also a profound shift in your lifestyle and mindset. In the next 30 days, you'll be diving headfirst into a comprehensive program designed to help you shed excess weight, tone your body, and improve your overall fitness levels. This isn't a crash diet or a temporary fix, but rather a holistic approach to wellness that encompasses nutrition, exercise, mental well-being, and sustainable habits. Each day of this challenge will present you with opportunities to make healthier choices, whether it's through mindful eating, regular exercise, or cultivating positive habits. By committing to this journey, you're not just investing in your physical appearance, but also in your long-term health and happiness. Importance of fitness and healthy living. The importance of fitness and healthy living cannot be overstated. Beyond the aesthetic benefits, maintaining a healthy weight and an active lifestyle significantly reduces the risk of chronic diseases, such as diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. It improves your energy levels, boosts your mood, and enhances your overall quality of life. Moreover, adopting healthy habits isn't just about adding years to your life, but also about adding life to your years. It's about being able to fully engage in the activities you love, whether it's playing with your kids, hiking with friends, or pursuing your passions with vigor and enthusiasm. Setting realistic goals and expectations. As you embark on this journey, it's crucial to set realistic goals and manage your expectations. While the next 30 days will undoubtedly yield results, it's